Come on, piggy. Oh, that's all. That was just short bursts. They're only good for running in short bursts. Oh, here they come. There you go. You're picking it up. Picking it up, Jenny. Jenny, I'm sorry. I should have waited till you got here because they're eating your Nana. Jenny, over here. Jenny, you're stopping short. Jenny, come on. Keep coming. Just bonk them out of the way. There you go. Just bonk them. Oh, Merlin, you are just so... Well, Merlin, why are you soaked? The kitties. I told them they're not going to be able to wash that off of you. And that's your cologne. You don't want it off.